Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another Majorette 5-pack to unbox. This one was on clearance at Barnes & Noble because the BMW there is broken. It is disconnected from the chassis. So we got a little discount on that one, but some cool stuff in here. We're going to unbox this. We'll put each one up on the turntable here at the end. But checking out these, it's got a nice 2002 turbo in orange. Look at that M3 E30 blue. That is looking nice. And that GT3 with the big wing. That one I like a lot. Black color. It's like a black, maybe a dark gray. And we got an X5 competition. And man, the M3 could have been good. Maybe we can salvage it. We'll have to get in there and look at it once it's opened up. But let's go ahead and dive into this here. All right, let's get this opened up. Well, let's start with the broken one, I guess. We'll pop this guy off here and see what we're working with. So, there are no screws in there. Interesting. They're not in the box. So technically we could probably get some screws to check that out and see how those go in there. No screws. It's supposed to be riveted in there, guys. So, maybe we'll just do a little glue. A little super glue action on that one. Try and salvage it. But we'll just show you that one here quick, how it should have looked. This one does have opening doors. So this is the G80, I believe. G80 series, because it's the newer front end grille there. Yeah. In a nice bright yellow color there. All right, let's check out this X5 competition next. In a pretty nice red color, actually. Not too shabby. So this one has an opening hatch. No opening doors on this guy. So the little hatch opens up there. Yeah. Nice little SUV. Next up, this M3 GT3. Oh no, this is a M4. M4 because it's the two-door. M4 GT3 Evo, so race car version. That massive wing. And it's plastic, so it'll break. But looking good in this almost black color. I don't know. It's so close to being black. Could be just black with some sparkle, but I'm going to say it's a super, super dark gray. But look at the wing. It's so big. So big. And the giant splitter. That is a massive splitter. Looking good though. Really like it. Digging that. Massive diffuser as well. No opening parts on this. I guess you just get the big wing. Might be one of my favorites from this pack. All right, couple more to go here. The E30 up next. And look at that. Super dark blue color. Oh, this one is so sweet. Yeah, that's a nice casting there. I like it a lot. Nice taillights there. Yeah, that's a good casting on that E30. Very cool car. And our last one of the set here, the 2002 from the 70s, guys. Late 60s, early 70s, I think. That one's nice too. That one, oh, did we miss that? Did it have opening doors? Ah, it did. I forgot that. So the E30 did have the opening doors, guys. So you can see inside there. It's actually got a decent interior in there. So this one has the opening doors as well. Definitely a bright color there. It's got the 2002 there on the fender. Yeah, that's a nice little one as well. All right, guys, there is the unboxing of the quick BMW edition Majorette 5-pack. We're going to throw each one of these up on the turntable here at the end, so if you want to stick around to see that. But appreciate you guys tuning in again for this quick unboxing. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next hunt video, and we'll have some more unboxings coming out soon. Have a good one.